क्लास 10th का फर्स्ट चैप्टर लाइफ प्रोसेसेस का नेक्स्ट टॉपिक सम स्पेशल फंक्शन ऑफ ब्लड, इसके बारे में आप लोगों को बताई थी। इसके पहले हम लोग पढ़े थे ब्लड वेसल्स में हम बताए थे आप लोगों को कि आर्टरी और वेंस एंड कैपिलरीज आर प्रेजेंट फॉर ट्रांसफरिंग ऑफ ब्लड फ्रॉम डिफरेंट पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी एंड बॉडी टू हार्ट। ठीक है, मैं आर्टरी के बारे में बताई थी कि आर्टरी help in the carrying of oxygenated blood from heart to different part of the body organs and cell, but veins carry the deoxygenated blood from body to heart for the purification of blood या oxygenation of blood. ठीक है, but capillaries are present between the artery and veins. All arteries are carry the oxygenated blood except the pulmonary artery, because pulmonary artery are transferring the deoxygenated blood from heart to lungs, and all veins are carry the deoxygenated blood but except the pulmonary veins, because pulmonary veins carry the oxygenated blood from lungs to heart. So all artery and veins carry the oxygenated and deoxygenated blood except this. And capillaries are present between the artery and veins. Capillaries explain study or and the topic of lymphatic system. Next topic start the some special function of blood. In this topic, study the oxygenated hemoglobin and deoxygenated hemoglobin. Oxygenated hemoglobin means the oxygen carry with hemoglobin in the different part of the body is called oxygenated hemoglobin. The oxyhemoglobin, after transferring of oxyhemoglobin in the different part of the body, oxyhemoglobin is the distribute in different tissue in the whole body, and break down into the hemoglobin and oxygen. Okay, and then oxygen is used in the different body of cell and then and utilize in the form of energy. Okay, यहीं पे देखिए इस बारे में दिया गया है. एंड देन ऑक्सीजन यूज्ड एंड फॉर्म द कार्बोनेट, सो इट इज कॉल्ड द कार्बोक्सी हीमोग्लोबिन या डीऑक्सीनेटेड हीमोग्लोबिन. कार्बोक्सी हीमोग्लोबिन मीन्स दिस इज अ deoxygenated hemoglobin, and deoxygenated hemoglobin carry with the help of veins from body to hearts for the oxygenation of blood. In previous topic, types of blood, RBC, WBC and platelets in this topic, and plasma help in the liquefied in nature of blood. So RBC, WBC and platelets. RBC help in the transferring of oxygenated blood from different part of the body. WBC help in the improve the immune power, fight against the disease. Defense against disease by leukocyte. WBC is also called leukocyte. RBC is also called erythrocyte. ठीक है, leukocyte of blood produce certain antibodies which combat the bacteria, and eosinophils produce antitoxins which neutralize microbial toxins, and neutrophils engulf the disease causing bacteria and protect the body. What is the means of eosinophils? WBC is 5 types, but not study in this class. Explain form of WBC. Main function of WBC is fight the against disease, improve the immune power. Okay, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक था, नेक्स्ट टाइप्स जो ब्लड का है वो प्लेटलेट्स होता है. प्लेटलेट्स हेल्प इन द क्लॉटिंग ऑफ ब्लड. इन द डिफिशियंसी ऑफ प्लेटलेट्स ब्लड इज डू नॉट क्लॉट एंड cause the disease. Clotting and coagulation of blood maintenance by blood platelets. Platelets is also called thrombocyte. The blood platelets play an important role in the blood clotting by releasing an enzyme, thrombokinase or thromboplastin. This substance initiates the clotting reaction. In the absence of this enzyme, blood do not clot in their body and create the disease hemophilia. हम लोग अभी तक पूरा टॉपिक पढ़े हैं लोग. सर्कुलेशन ऑफ ब्लड मीन्स हार्ट के बारे में. हार्ट चैम्बर कितने होते हैं? हार्ट इज अ 4 चैम्बर मस्कुलर ऑर्गन्स. इट इज प्रेजेंट इन बिटवीन द 2 lungs but banded in slightly in the left side, so it is called the left lungs. Heart is present in the left side. It is a very important organ in our body. Next topic, lymphatic system. What is means of lymph? Lymphatic system consists the lymph lymph vessels and lymph nodes. ठीक है ना. With the help of this, lymphatic system is completed. Lymphatic system process, lymph process takes place. Lymph is filtered blood. It is clear watery fluid that flow through lymphatic vessels. It is a link between the blood and tissue fluid. Lymph is filtered blood. ठीक है. What it means of filtered blood?